Hi my friends, how are you doing today? So here's the thing. So what you're seeing in that bowl is the fiber after making juice, and the juice that I made was a combination of red cabbage, carrots, and beetroots. Now we all know that the body needs this fiber. Now listen, watch what I made out of those fibers, and what you're seeing there is I went back to blend those fiber to give them uniform consistency. You know what I mean? As in, let them all be fine, because there are some lumps that were still found even in the fiber. So I selected some of them out and then blended and squeezed out some kind of juice, because I had to use water to blend them finely. And that is what you see in the pot. So I've already taken the juice. I have the juice freshly cold pressed, and the fiber, I didn't want to throw them away. And that's what this video is all about. As in, the body still needs the fiber to clean your guts, and that's what I'm going to show you what I made from it. So finger crossed, keep your curiosity intact, because I am going to show you something really interesting, and you'll be so grateful you stayed and watched till the very end. Okay, now let's go. Keep watching. And while you're watching, tell me, what else can you make with the fiber after cold pressing your juice? What else can you make with them? Please share with me in the comment section, because I also want to learn. This is the one I know and I'm sharing. Please share with us, okay?